Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So rainy data updated you today that Arsenal Villa by and look Batman Saka. Jessica said, I think what is important is that we are in the business of doing things in a way that is not going to interfere with other clubs, Motaung told journalists. We want to follow essential producers, and that relates to any other players that we are not looking at. We are taking a very professional approach to interacting and bringing players into the team. We'll ensure that we're only making announcements when the time is right. So, watch the space. The club, Kaizer Chiefs, can't be hanging players who are still with teams or are still contracted. Jessica Motaung acknowledged that was a process, after which any announcement will be made, she added. Jessica Motaung. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.